Your Highness. They await you.
Hey everybody, I'm Sire Eminence Zakkiyyiah. Thank you for coming to my channel. Today we're going to be doing our Oreo balls. So we're going to get right here on head into this, y'all. Y'all, this is you know what? I'm going to narrate this right, okay? So we're going to start by pulverizing our Oreo crisp. John from the Preppy Kitchen said that you actually don't need a food processor to do this. You could just bang the Oreos, but I wanted to be fancy and use our food processor. So that's what I'm doing right now. And it didn't take long to pulverize everything. Just make sure that you don't process it. But y'all, I don't even know what to say about this recipe, honey. I don't know what to say about this. I got hemmed up in this recipe. That's how that happened, okay? So we're going to add our 8 ounces of cream cheese, which that is not exactly 8 ounces. So just keep watching because I will add more into that. See, and I blended it. I didn't fold it in or anything like that. And I don't know if that had anything to do with it. But I thought that was a good way to do it. But y'all, So here goes some more cream cheese. And this right here, hold on, drop, bloop. All right, get in there now. Get in the bowl. Go ahead now. This is where I messed up at right there. When I added that extra piece of cream cheese in there. I don't even know why I did that, but that's where I messed up at. See how it turned it into some type of like Oreo pudding? That's where I messed up at. So I had to go back in, add more Oreos to it. Okay, so I added the rest of those Oreos in there. Now I'm ready to blend it again. Funny story about this. I had actually met a lady in the Michael's baking aisle, and that's how I got roped into making it. Because she was like, oh, it's easy, you can do it, you don't even need that much. All you need is Oreos and cream cheese. We was like, what? We're gonna make this. Man, look at it. What is that? Like something a rabbit would put down. Look at that. And then on top of that, I had a nerve to try to put some white chocolate on there. I am so, it's the first time for everything, and a lot of times when I do stuff on the first go around, it come out right. So I might be a little bit spoiled because I ain't used to this. Look at it. This is not a creation from me. Like, I gotta come back strong and do this, but oh my goodness, I freezed it and everything. I freezed the mix and everything, but it won't no help for it. It was just, I should have just made that into an Oreo cheesecake or something like that. Like, it's terrible, y'all. It's terrible. All right, so here I am with this cake pop press as if this is, I was really trying to make this work, okay? I tried 2 different techniques. What I should have did was just looked at the Preppy Kitchen from the first go around and didn't, like, I was doing this and I was like, dang, I should be looking at John's video right now so he could show me how to do it. I just kept hearing like, look at it. Oh no, I'm thinking I got it. It's not that hard. Oh, well, I guess that it is because it came out looking like this. So I'm going to freeze this so you can read the directions because I did everything right. And just watch. Just keep watching. Put it in there. Put it in the cake press prop. Oh, look at there. It's okay if you have any excess on there because it's going to spill out like right about now. Watch this, y'all. Terrible.
No. He tried it.
Yo, chump, you done laughing at me? Like, yo, this is just, I don't even know any words to formulate. Look, I tried. Look, what is that? Oh my gosh, y'all. This is a tutorial on how not to make Oreo balls. Like, come on now. Like, y'all, I just was like, forget it. And I just left that stuff right here. Legend has it, it's still there from today. This was Thanksgiving of 2019. That stuff's still right there, y'all. No, I'm just playing. But y'all, this moment of silence, please. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Sire Eminence Zakkiyyiah.
love.